Lessons from the book, How to Become a People Magnet. Number 1. You teach people how to treat you by the way you treat yourself. Number 2. One great way to connect with people is by being interested in them and in the things that interest them. In Barcelona, and probably in many other places, usually, you make friends easily by talking about the city's seemingly most important subject, football. It doesn't even matter how the local team is doing. There's always something to talk about. Find out what interests people and then start a conversation about it. This can help you in making new friends as well as in business relationships and opportunities too. Number 3. The most important subject that anyone will about with you is themselves. I'm sorry if I sound cynical, but it is what it is. Stay with me though. Just stay with me. So, when you talk with people about themselves, they will love you for your wise choice of subject. They will be totally fascinated by the subject and show an enormous interest. Have you ever been to a networking meeting or a social event and had to talk to a person who was just talking about themselves all the time? How did it feel? Were you very attracted to that, want to spend more time with them? Number 4. If you make a mistake, admit it. It's a sign of a strong person, and you'll be admired for it, as average and mediocre people don't admit their mistakes. They will rather lie, deny, or find excuses. Remember, people like people who agree with them. Number 5. People don't want to be judged. Number 6. Did you ever notice that when you admit that you are wrong instead of defending yourself, the other person becomes empathetic and instead of making fun of you, actually comforts you? If you have to be right and have to point out other people's mistakes all the time, soon you will be alone and nobody will want to be around you. Use diplomacy, be smart, be subtle. Don't prove other people wrong. Number 7. Don't forget using you and your instead of me, my, mine. Try it. Becoming a good listener will take your conversations and relationships to an entirely new level. When people feel that you are listening to them, they will automatically like to be around you.